What a nice day. I'll walk until lunch break. Hey. Are you okay?
You're too slow. Wanna play again?
Time to mine ores. Wait, what is that noise? Nothing happened. Well, I mine ores again.
Found you.
I quit.
You will die at my hands.
Yes, I like work. Oh no, there is a perfectly nauseous time. What is this? A strange place? Anyways, I'll go on this place.
Ready for round 2.
Oh shoot. Vitamin K was taken by creation.
I know, we go to a room when my friend 5 is okay. Oh no. 5, are you okay? Why do you got bleeding? And also, why do your body health faster?
I'm okay, and because strangers or creations control my body and then they replace my body, do you forgot that you heal me?
Oh no. I am too, forgot to heal your body, I mean.
What are these bleeding?
You are not believe what my friend 5 happened. Well, she gets bleeding and she shrink her body and strangers control her.
What? How do they control somebody on any places?
Okay, you too. I almost passed away from my age, because creations control me so I'll turn into a strange thing. We have a good idea, you use a hospital needle and teaser. So, I will.
I heard the headlines. Today is October 27th, 2020. When I read a newspaper, 3 people are dead. The first one are walking on a park at the moment. The second one are mining on a cave at previous time. And the last one are working on office tower at this time. It walks at a strange thing. From October 23th to October 26th. What will you do while her strange self alive?
I know. This one?
Yes. But we need 2 taser.
2 tasers are on your special backpack.
Okay. Let's begin. We will save her from strangers. Controllers will open her eyes. I will say 3, 2, 1. Well, I save her from strangers. They will never control her body tomorrow.